do with my only healing class.
I'm gonna be power.
Oh, it's in the overshield. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. I instantly lost my overshield. Get healed. Get healed. And then clubbed. I got health on the backside if you need it.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Don't fight me. Don't fight me.
No need for sniping.
Why can't I lock onto you? Ah, I wanted to save you. Oh, I'm dead. Pinned myself into a corner I couldn't get out of. He's gonna move right now. Don't die in there needlessly. Wow, through the wall? Through the pillar? Really? Okay, good. Avenge me! Come on, heal, 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 heal. Thank you. Oh, walked right into a slipstream. I can heal you guys. It's my duty. I'm healing everybody, including this guy. And I can't melee. Why can't I not melee? How am I alive, though? That's a bigger question. Virus, I'm healing you. Drive back over here. Oh, I wish I had something. It's gonna move. Need to get out of here. Oh. How did I get punched? I'm like up in the air 8 miles. How the heck did I get punched there? That was weird. What is that guy? Is he a scientist? He is a scientist. Okay, that makes more sense. Yeah, get him, turret. You're my boy, turret. Virus, I got you, bro. I got you, brosa. I got you, bro. Use your Warcraft if you can. Tell me you... Yeah. Oh, yeah. Who was that? The Mon taking him out. Just healing time. Time for you to get energized. Health Matrix, Health Matrix. Little loop-de-doop-de-doo. I'm not stuck. Whoa! I'm throwing health down on you guys. Oh, Edward. Taste my energon. Taste it. Taste my energon. Haha! Alright, I got overshields, so I will give it to you guys as soon as we get in trouble. Right now would be a good time. Onslaught, come on, bro. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. What you got? I got health coming in for you. Oh, this is just energon-tastic. I'm gonna get this guy too. Edward, this is deja vu. Oh, I'll heal you. I'll heal you. I'll heal you. Oh, that's a turret. I don't want to battle that with a energon repair ray.
Yeah, I'm gonna snipe.
Alright, I gotta take these down quick. I'll take the turrets down quick. Don't go in there yet. Alright, now go in there. Oh, that one's a strong one. There's a lot of stuff in there right now. Try to get rid of it. Really, this is just against my beliefs using this gun right now. I just want to use my repair ray. But what are you gonna do? From that distance, not much. I can heal you. I can heal you. Oh, I tried. I tried. Come on, guys. Gotta work together. It's moving. Not good. Come on, where's my health? I put it down. I put it down. Where'd it go? Oh, no.
Okay, I took out the turret.
Come on, let's swarm that. We gotta contest it at least. There's a lot of time they're getting. Gotta get rid of this guy. I don't know what he's doing up here. Throwing in health. I'm throwing down health. Whoa. We'll destroy that turret. Oh my goodness, I got killed by the steam!
Node has moved. Health matrix online. Decepticons
It's in the hot.
control a node. Node available. Node contested. Nucleon shock cannon equipped. Node
It's available, let's take it.
Decepticons control the node. Node
Let's control it, control it, control it.
controlled.
If I die, I'm gonna drop a nucleon shock cannon. Just let you know that.
I chased off
Oh no, I'm stuck here. Oh nice.
Node available. Node control.
Come on, come on.
Node
Double kill!
available. Node control. Node
It moved, it moved, it moved. It's up above.
available.
Oh no. Uh-oh.
Control the node.
Chris falls to air raids. Cannon!
Decepticons control the
I
node.
don't even want this right now. This is a crucial part of the game. I gotta hurry up.
Yeah, I'm gonna be back here.
Node contested. Node control.
There's a guy below me.
Cooler
For
activated.
sure. I'll throw health. I can throw health in.
I took out the turret.
Oh, the oak in there has gotta be weak.
Decepticons control the node.
Their whole team in here? Watch out. Where'd it go? Bottom? Gotta get control. We gotta, like, this is crucial. This is a crucial point. Here, I got your health. Here they come across. Dead. Got him. One more. One. Oh.
Node available.
Coming across. Onslaught. Watch out. Get on, virus. Ram him. I need help. I need help. Oh no, the steam. Lure him into the steam. Let me get this kill. Let me get this kill on him. I gotta overshield if I can get a kill. Got him. Just doing work with this energon repair rack. Can't be stopped. Oh, he jumped over my head. Setting up shop right here.
Decepticons control the node. Nucleon shock cannon equipped.
Walking the water stream.
Oh, that was off. Ooh, ah. Cover it. Take it. Take it. Take it. Take it.
Node contested. Node control. Node contested. Node available.
Come on, you guys. Cover that. I got you guys covered from above.
Node control.
I'm in the node. Shockwave. Virus.
Come on, we got this. We got this.
Triple shot.
Watch out, virus.
Oh,
Oh, there's a nucleon shot cannon in there. Somebody pick it up. On our team, preferably. I can cover this one. Double kill. Triple kill. Health matrix. Ooh, scout. Miss me, miss me. Woohoo. Ooh. Over shields. Oh, watch out, soldier. Got him. Scientist. Death. Oh, he's still alive? Oh, I was just about to blast him. Woo. Good comeback.
Mommy, how would you get like 31? That's 35 kills? Oh, this I smell it.
Autobots with the victory.